Hello, Showtimer. Today I'm unboxing Mercedes-Benz 300 SL. Get out of here. Get out of here. Get out of here, man. Please get out of here. I'm stuck. It has a number 2 on it. This is Bilstein. And it says Hot Wheels. And there's a supercharger on it, but I didn't get it. This is a normal model for it. This is 300 SL. The color is red, black, white, gray. I'm finished. Goodbye, Showtime.